Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back again with another interesting repair video. Today I picked up this Atem Mini Extreme video switcher which has no video output, actually no program output. As you can see, we have multi-view output but we don't have program output. I'm switching to media player but we don't have any output on in program. So let's repair this one. First I'm going to remove all these screws. I have 9 screws to remove. Let's take them off and let's take out the board for the repair. And I have a few more screws inside the switcher. Let's remove them as well. Then we can take out the board. So that's how I took off the board and I did a physical inspection. I can see somebody has tried to repair this one before. As you can see, there are so many flux residue around the retimer chip, and this is the retimer chip. Most of the Atem series, this chip gonna be bad, and if you are trying to connect a HDMI monitor or anything while this unit powered on, definitely this retime chip gonna be bad most of the time. I'm pretty sure this is the bad spot. I'm gonna replace this chip with a new one. This is a brand new chip I ordered from Mouser, and I'm gonna replace with this new chip. So first I'm gonna preheat in the solder pads on the retimer chip, add some flux generously, and preheat in all the solder pads like this. And this method will help to have a good bond with the chip and the board, and when we are put it back to the board, that will be easy to solder back to the board. Okay, I have preheated in the retimer chip. Now I'm gonna remove the defected retimer chip from the board. Let's add some flux, and I'm gonna remove this with the hot air station. I'm adding some more flux. It will help to reflow around the chip. Let's put back the new retimer chip and try to place it on position as much as possible, and concern about the correct direction of the retimer chip. And push down the chip to get a good connection, and all the excess solder will come out from sideways. As you can see, there are 2 blobs, solder blobs around the chip. We can rid of them while we are retouching all the pins. Now let's touch up the pins. First of all, add some flux, then it will be easy to touch up all the pins. It will reflow nicely. I'm using my thinnest solder bit for this retouches, and I'm doing back and forth. It will do a nice job, and I need to get a good connection between the solder pads and the chip. Okay, soldering part is done. Now it's a cleaning time. I'm using rubbing alcohol and some cotton swabs to clean this area. It's quite difficult to rid of this flux because I'm not using genuine flux. So I'm using some cheap stuff. It's really hard to rid of. Sometimes I need to preheat the board to melt this flux again. The repair is done. Let's put back this board to the casing and check. I have partially connected everything, and I'm gonna check the switch now. I'm connecting my two monitors to the program out and the multi-view out. And let's power it up. It's booting. Okay, I have display on multi-view. I'm switching to media player 1. As you can see, we have output on program as well. So my repair is done. I have both video outputs in the program output and the multi-view output. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Hope you have learned something from this video. I'm gonna sign off now, so don't forget to like and subscribe for the more repair videos. Thank you.